Hi, this is Justina from Practice Test Academy, and in this short video I will give you a personal tour of our testing software. Below the information about the P1 paper, you will find the heart of our software. Our tests are divided into two categories, study mode and an exam mode. You should use the study mode if you want to practice and learn at the same time. In a study mode, you will get the answer straight away so you can understand if you were correct or not and why. You should use the exam mode, which is actually the exam simulator, if you want to test your knowledge under the exam conditions. That means you will have a limited time to complete the questions, and the score you will get after you complete the full test. Let me walk you through an example of one of our study modes. Here you have two options. You can either practice all your questions from a particular part at once by clicking this button, or you can practice each part separately. This is convenient if you want to polish your knowledge from a particular topic. We have written our questions based on the Kaplan study book, so in most of the cases, the subparts will correspond to the names of the Kaplan chapters. So what can you find here? This is an example of a typical multiple choice question. You choose your answer, you click on the next button, you're going to have an answer straight away. If you are unsure of the answer, you can always skip the question and go to the next one, and then you can always come back to the question that you skipped later on using those buttons here. This is a typical drop-down type of question. If you choose a wrong answer, you are going to receive a red screen with an explanation what is the correct answer. Now we have included here all the possible question types that CIMA utilizes in their final exams. In order to replicate the real exam experience, we have also added the tables that you can find here, so you can be better prepared and used to the format that they appear on the real exam. Now let's move on to the mock exams. We give you three types of mock exams. One full mock with unique type of questions, with 60 questions, and that means that they are original and cannot be found in any of the above parts here. We also have two other types of mocks, a mock with the 60 questions and the other one with the 30 questions. The functionality here is exactly the same as CIMA uses for the real exams, which means that the questions are randomly taken from the parts here. However, we use such a methodology that the questions will never be the same, so it is literally impossible to have two mock exams with the same types of questions. As you can see, the number of the questions within the mock exam is selected based on the syllabus split. So in our case, if the part A covers 30% of the syllabus, you can expect 18 questions on the exam. Additional features to mention is that you can practice your time management and also improve your exam technique by utilizing options like flag for review or show results panel, where you can either click on a certain question and attempt it, or scroll down and you can review all the incomplete questions, review all the questions, or review flagged questions. One of our biggest competitive advantage is that you can see exactly how well you've done within each part and within each chapter. You can review all the questions with your answers and with the correct answers just by scrolling down and clicking this review button here. If you want to compare the results of your current tests with the one that you have done previously, you can go to My History under My Account Quiz Results and compare it over there. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got the same impression that this is exactly what you need in order to pass your upcoming P1 exam. Remember, we also provide a tutor-monitored Facebook group and a 7-day money-back guarantee, so in case you are still unsure, just keep in mind that we transfer the risk on us, so you don't need to worry. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!